All right, let's talk forecast before that. This is it, buddy. I tell you.
I know.
Last newscast, for those of you who don't know, right here, right now. This is our last two-shot.
Oh, don't do that to me.
How many times have I tossed to you over the last, he's getting the clap,
Happy tears.
2 years? Like thousands and thousands of times. Huh?
Enough.
Enough.
I tell
you.
Yes.
I tell you. Cult of personality and meteorology all rolled into
one.
Gonna miss you, man.
Now. Yes, the feeling is mutual. At least the weather should be okay.
That's good.
Yes.
Send me out the right way. Thank you for that.
Morning rainfall
oh,
on Monday morning, unfortunately. But it shouldn't be too bad in Northwest Arkansas. Trust me on that one. There's a look at Fayetteville. Things are quiet now, and they were quiet for a good part of the day. 88 degrees today, double snowmans. 2 degrees shy of your average, which is 90 degrees. Back on this day in 2011, oh my goodness, it was warm. 106, that brutal summer of 2011. Meanwhile, in Fort Smith, things are also quiet. We got up to 95 degrees today, right where we should be and nowhere near the record, thankfully. And we won't see any near record highs this week because it's going to be a pretty nice week, cooler and less humid, but that will come with the chances for some morning rain and storms, both Monday morning as well as Tuesday morning. But as I said, no big heat waves are planned. I think that'll put a smile on everyone's face. And here's our rain chances, mainly for the River Valley tomorrow morning. Long and south of I-40. A couple could sneak into Northwest Arkansas. Everybody should see some rain Tuesday, mainly before lunch, before those rain chances really tail off. And we do need the rain because some areas are still dry. Sequoia, LaFleur County abnormally dry, Benton, Madison, parts of Washington County, and an official drought, even though it's a moderate drought, for most of Carroll County. Hopefully, we'll make some inroads into those drought and dry conditions this week. 70s across the board right now in Northwest Arkansas, still lower 80s in the River Valley. It's taking a little longer for that drier air to make its way here. Now, that front sags through tonight. By tomorrow morning, here comes our next chance for rainfall. This is some new model data that we're showing you. Now, as we go through the morning hours, some of this could try to sneak into Northwest Arkansas, but the air in Northwest Arkansas might be too dry. A lot of it might evaporate. Or if we see a shower, it's south of Highway 412. But absolutely, you're going to see rain tomorrow morning in the River Valley. But by the lunch hour, it's mostly out of here. Notice by 3 o'clock, we're clearing out. So no problems if you've got baseball or softball, soccer practice. Maybe you want to fire up the grill, do some gardening. You should be okay. Quiet Monday night before our next batch of rainfall moves in here. Right now, none of this is looking severe. There could be some frequent lightning, but just moderate to, at times, heavy rain and some rumbles of thunder. You can see pretty broad coverage Tuesday morning, so we'll keep an eye on that. We've got a big boy hurricane out in the Pacific. Hurricane Dora is going full beast mode. With winds of 140 miles an hour, what's called an annular hurricane, where it's almost perfectly symmetrical in shape. It will stay south of the big island of Hawaii, though, but a full-on beast just north of what's called the intertropical convergence zone in the Pacific. That's a geeky weather term for you. 60s and 70s tonight, and then into the 80s tomorrow. But if we get a lot of that rainfall, it could keep temperatures down by a few degrees tomorrow. Northwest Arkansas, you can see those morning chances for rain Monday and Tuesday, maybe Wednesday afternoon as well. Rest of the week looks nice and quiet with seasonal temperatures. We'll show the 7-day here a couple more times before the end of the show. Same thing in the River Valley with those really soaking rains Monday and Tuesday, Paul, before we dry out for the rest of the week.
All right.